What if I told you that the ugliest websites are making more money than their beautifully designed counterparts? It sounds really counterintuitive, right? We've been conditioned to believe that great design is the key to success online. But what if focusing too much on aesthetics is actually costing you sales? I know that the design isn't the ultimate driver of conversion. The copy is. Hi, I'm Kinga, an email marketing strategist and agency owner. My team and I specialize in helping 6- and 7-figure brands increase their profits by leveraging advanced email marketing techniques. Whether you're looking to elevate your strategy or better connect with your audience, we are here to help you achieve real, measurable results. I'm sure you came across websites that look amazing with sleek layouts, modern fonts, and high-quality visuals. But these sites can often fall short when it comes to selling. On the other hand, those ugly websites that seem outdated or overly simple are thriving. Why? Well, the difference lies in the message, not the design. Many businesses get so wrapped up in creating a visually stunning website that they forget to communicate their core value effectively. But here's the truth. Your customer really doesn't care about your design as much as they care about how your product or service can solve their problem. The copy is what does the heavy lifting. When a potential customer visits your website or opens your email, their attention is super limited. They are looking for answers, how you can help them. That's where the copy comes in. Clear, compelling copy grabs attention, outlines benefits, and addresses pain points in a way design alone can't. You don't need to dazzle them with visuals. Instead, use copy to speak directly to their needs and show how your product or service makes their life easier. Of course, design has its place, but rather than letting design lead, use it to enhance your message. And here are some examples how you can do this. First of all, prioritize copy over design. Your first step should always be crafting strong copy. The message must be clear and focused. Design should act as a vehicle to support and amplify that message. Use design to highlight the copy. Make sure your design directs attention to the important parts of your copy. Use bold headlines, subheadlines, and contrasting colors for call to action buttons to make the most critical messages stand out. Leverage white space to support readability. So white space is more than just empty space. It gives content breathing room. A simple, clean design ensures that your words are the star of the show. Designed for the audience, not for aesthetics. I see this mistake so common that the brands are designing their layouts for their own aesthetics, not aligning with the aesthetics of their customers. The design should always align with your customers' expectations and preferences. Some audiences prefer straightforward, no-frill design, while others might expect more sophistication. You really do need to know your audience and design accordingly. You need to ensure mobile usability in mobile-first world. Your copy must translate well across all devices. Simplicity is the key for mobile. Ensure that your content is readable, no matter the screen size. And lastly, I want to address that I see so many websites being redesigned for aesthetics, and the simplest website that customers were used to and felt comfortable suddenly get a major uplift and completely change, and suddenly the conversion drops. Why? Because the new version is not aligned with your customer. And if you are going to do the redesign, I strongly suggest start with small revisions and take sections of your website and just work on small sections until you slowly improve the overall design. I strongly suggest not to just jump into a full redesign of the website, because from my experience, the conversion can drop significantly, and then you're stuck with a new website that is not delivering sales. Ready to boost your conversions? The key takeaway here, design is important, but not as important as well-crafted message. Your next sale could depend on this shift in focus. Prioritize your copy, let the design support it, and watch your results transform. Don't get caught up in aesthetics, focus on what truly matters, connecting with your audience.